Should crisps, or salt and vinegar crisps, be blue or green? I am.
Down at the garage. Jack's finally doing something useful for once. Scraping off the shit from the rocker cover. Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Who are you?
I am block cleaner.
So this fellow decided to turn up for the first time in about a month. How you doing, mate?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
More shit. More shit. Oh, sorry.
No swearing, this is a PG channel.
This is...
Have you heard me do any swearing on this channel? On point, I say, Zach's a fucking idiot, fucking stupid fuck or something like that.
So, Alfie's once again been useful. He's opened up all the gaskets.
That's how that'll sit.
With the new head bolts.
That's your exhaust manifold.
No, that's your exhaust.
That's fabric.
Is it?
Oh wait, it's double layer like that. So that might be the exhaust.
And that might be the inlet.
What's the inlet manifold look like? Where it bolts to the block? Nah, that's your inlet.
Is it?
Yeah, look. Exhaust manifold, gaskets.
So it's a bit.
Throttle body gasket.
Maybe.
Mystery gasket?
Yeah, mystery gasket. We don't know what that one is yet. We should figure that one out.
Yeah, we do. Rocker cover, inner rocker cover gasket around the spark plugs. We've got some cam seals, valve stem seals, and then
I like it when he does a bit of talking about like the stuff, because
you haven't got a clue what you're going on about.
yeah, for one I'm learning, and two, he just sounds like he's a nerd,
And
so he
then
needs
there's
to
your,
talk about the nerdy stuff.
That's one. Step one of rebuild. Complete.
Well done.
So, Jack's put that on, so if we get an oil leak down the spark plugs, we know who to blame.
It was my fault. Yeah, before and after video, just bring it in close. Look at the gunkiness. Like, where did you get them from?
Level from the side there.
Yeah, before and after. Lovely. Another thing we're going to be doing today is just loads of little bits here and there, which probably ain't needed, some of them, but they are. We've got them, so we want to do stuff. So, satisfying this is to be fair. No oil left in it at all.
It's all in there. So just shut the manifold off from the turbo. We can give it a bit of a clean up. It's looking a bit grotty. Even though it's not staying for long, it will stay to get the car running until we save a little bit of money up. But then, gone. Big turbo inbound. So the head is pretty bare now. Took the EGR valve off, along with all the fucking N249 valve. Pretty bare.
On this YouTube channel.
No swearing.
Completely banned.
So yeah, gasket's definitely seen better days. But what I did find out is that one of the washers and bolts, well, nuts, are missing. So we're gonna have to find somewhere that sells individuals.
Yeah, I've already lined it up.
Some squirt all in his face.
He'd like that. What do you mean by that?
Massive crack in the side.
There's no oil in there.
I haven't took it out yet.
I'm in the direct.
Oh no,
That ain't looking nice.
that really ain't looking good.
There was a leak in there.
There's oh no.
What the hell is that?
We're gonna have to get the sump off, ain't we?
Definitely. That is disgusting.
Nah, they're always coming through nice.
Yeah, but why was there a leaf in it?
And
What's
why was-
going on?
And why was sludge coming out? Nah, that's sludge. That's not oil.
It's leaking out the fucking bottom
Oh,
of
the fucking bottom's leaking.
Tilt it away from it then.
Oh, yeah. What was that? That was some sludge.
Go on, do it. Someone else put the foot on that board because he's heavy. Not Zach, because he's holding the engine already.
It's not looking good, is it?
It can't be good.
We've tried to pull the oil out the bottom. Well, we've pulled the oil out, and it's just.
I was going to show him the oil, but it's
been
gone.
disposed of in a legal way.
It's in the sand.
Oh, hell no, man.
So so we drained it out. As we get to the bottom, a load of milky coloured sludge has started coming out. Ain't laid out yet.
I'm in the direct.
Oh no. Obviously not what you want in your engine. We're gonna have to get the sump off and clean it out. Unfortunately, gearbox is bolted to the sump, so that makes it a little less simple, shall we say.
So when we've cleaned these out,
I don't think it was from us cleaning it.
Do you not reckon?
I think it's just because it's been sat for so long as well. It's just got in.
You reckon?
It's got in, and we've probably not helped it by cleaning the block.
Yeah.
But it's a bit of
So
both.
multiple ways of it getting in there. It's not good. So we're gonna have to. The lads have gone out now to get a.
They've gone to get a tube of liquid gasket, so when we put the sump back on, it seals. What about you?
Big
I feel
job.
like we should invest in an engine stand at some point.
Yeah. Therefore, after doing that when we were draining the oil, that was heavy. That was. My legs are still dead from it. So Alfie's growling and screaming and shouting. It's gone worse than what we thought as well again, isn't it?
It was going good, and then it was going a bit worse. Then it was going a bit worse, and then it was going a bit worse.
The bolts, you can't get to them to take off the sump, so we got to take the gearbox off to get to the bolts, take the sump off.
You can get to them, but you can't get the socket on it flush. It's at an angle, and it's starting to strip them.
I'm trying to talk, mate. What do you think you're doing? Got the gap on it. Let's see what it looks like inside.
Oh, that's nasty. That is...
Oh.
That is in need of a clean. Can you see why I said we need to get the sump off now?
Yeah.
Look at that bottom end. Look at the pickup.
You want to run this engine like this, Jack?
Nice feel.
I would, yeah.
Look at the pickup.
Well, Ryan's only going to blow it up anyway, you know what he's like with engines.
Yeah, Ryan will blow it up, then Zach will crash it.
Yeah. The only thing that's going to happen with this car is, yeah, literally them two options.
Move that.
Right, so, what's this called again?
That's the oil pickup. We're taking it off to clean it.
Give it a good clean as well. Drain this. Oh yeah.
So you get this out, I'll put the bolts back.
It is bad, like, don't look very clean. You can see like the bittiness to it here.
If you look down on top of the pistons, there's pools of oil. We need to get that out so we can see if there's anything on top of the pistons.
So we now need to flip the engine, try and get some of the oil out, which is sitting on the bottom of the pistons, and then try and get some of these lumps out, which is kind of a good job we didn't run it, because otherwise there would have been damage occurring.
The old gasket is still on the edge. Well, I told you before that there's a lot of... it's not going to matter there on the sides anyway, is it?
You want the new one to seal though, don't you?
Yeah.
You know what that's all?
My ass.
What do you mean by that?
So we're ready to put it all back on now. Ready? Oh, right. Right. There's a bolt missing. Where?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
It's in the bolt for that.
Last time I checked, it was on top of piston 1.
Imagine dropping a bolt in there when it's the last bolt we needed to put in before we put the fucking... Oh my god, I hate him. Get me away from him before I whack him. Or he whacks me.
So you know earlier how I dropped a bolt, but we could get it out.
Jack's one up to us, hasn't he?
Jack has took it to another level.
I'm the champ.
Show him down.
This
Show him down.
Giro.
Show him down the plug hole.
So he goes, oh, elastic bands are really useful. And then all of a sudden, I don't know if you can quite see, there's an elastic band about to,
shaking the fucking engine.
about to drop in. If that goes in, the head bolts we've just put in.
Don't push it down.
Oh, it's going further. Stop moving the engine.
I'm not moving it on purpose.
You are, you're kicking it.
I'm fucking trying to put the fucking tyre back up to it so it stops moving.
I dropped it in there.
How much is a head bolt? How much are 4 head bolts? No,
£23.
£23 for the head bolts. So it's not the end of the world.
Get it in there. I've wedged it. You get under it so it don't drop again. Alfie, grab. Alfie. No problem. I have always solution.
So I mean, as you can tell, we've been here quite a while. It's dark now, but
No, do you remember earlier? We did say earlier actually. Hopefully we've got it all done before. It goes
yeah,
dark. I'm sure I said something like that.
this engine was supposed to be in there about probably 3 o'clock.
There's just everything everywhere.
Yeah,
still.
it's just the turbos there, bits, pieces, tools.
Wiring loops.
We've still got to clean all this up, and we can't see where half the. I mean, there's a wiring loom in the grass over there somewhere.
We've had a bit of a nightmare.
But this is looking like an engine again, and it looks pretty smart with all the silver paint on it. Bit of a rusty cam gear, but no one will notice that. We've got the intake manifold back on, exhaust manifold back on without the turbo, heads on, spark plugs, coil packs, clutch, flywheel.
To start with.
We've put the exhaust manifold on, but there's no gasket on it. But that's because it's going to need to come on and off quite a lot when we get the exhaust made up for the car, because for some reason nobody's made a 1.8 turbo exhaust for an Audi A2. I don't know why.
Idiots.
I know, but yeah, fingers crossed it's not too much further away from needing some engine mounts mocking up. Good day?
No.
Good day?
Good day.
Not good.